Imagine this, you spend months creating something you're proud of, a song, an artwork, a script. You upload it online, and one day a AI copies your style, improves it, sells it, and goes viral. Sounds extreme, right? But here's the scary part, this is already happening. AI is writing songs, painting artworks, generating videos, and even replacing human influencers. Some people are calling it the future of creativity, others are calling it straight up theft.
Creative people are some of the angriest people right now, or the most scared people about AI. And the difference between feeling your work's being stolen from you and your future is being stolen from you, and feeling your work is being amplified and can be amplified, those are such different feelings. And if we could shift to the second one, I think that really changes how much humanity as a whole embraces all this.
Some creative people are very upset. Some creatives are like, this is the most amazing tool ever. I'm doing incredible new work. It's definitely a change. And I have a lot of empathy to people who are just like, I wish this change weren't happening.
And today we are not going to panic. We are going to properly break this down. Is AI a creative partner that unlocks human imagination, or is it a thief that steals everything that makes us special? Let's find out. Let me show you why this isn't a future problem. A song dropped online that sound exactly like Drake and The Weeknd. Millions of people streamed it. There was just one twist. Neither of them sang it. The voices were AI. Record label panicked, platforms rushed to take it down, but the internet had already decided it loved the song. In another case, an AI generated an artwork won a real art competition. Judges praised it. Only later did they find out it wasn't made by human, just a text prompt. Big brands are now using AI for ads. Studios are testing AI written scripts. Virtual influencers are signing brand deals without being real people. So no, AI isn't learning creativity. AI is already performing creativity, and people are paying for it. Now pause for a second. If you're feeling confused, you're not broken. On one side, you're thinking, bro, this is insane. I can create more than ever. On the other side, there's a quiet fear. If AI can do all this, where do I fit? Artists feel it, musicians feel it, writers feel it, even students feel it. Using AI feels helpful, but also uncomfortable. Like, is this really my work? Am I cheating? Am I being replaced? That confusion doesn't mean you're weak. It means the world changed faster than anyone expected. Before we judge AI, we need to answer big question. What even is creativity? Humans don't create from nothing. We remix experience, memories, emotions, and culture. Every artist is inspired by other artists. Every song is influenced by other songs. Every story built on older stories. Now look at AI. AI does something similar. It learns patterns from massive amount of human work and recombine them. The difference, human create from lived experiences. AI creates from data. AI doesn't feel hard work. AI doesn't feel heartbreak, but it can write heartbreak songs. So if creativity is just remixing patterns, then AI is qualifies. But if creativity means intention, emotions, then AI is only mimicking emotions. And here's the uncomfortable part. If the audience can't tell the difference, does the difference still matters? That's the battlefield. The debate isn't theoretical anymore. Hollywood writers and actors went on strike because studios wanted to use AI scripts and digital actor clones. Artists sued AI companies for training on their work without permission. Stock image platforms banned AI uploads because AI generated content were replacing real photographers. Musicians panicked because anyone can now clone famous voices. Fashion brand hired AI model that don't age, don't rest, don't demand a pay. This isn't about technology, it's about livelihood. Now let's flip the coin, because there's another side to this. AI removes creative blocks. It helps you start faster. It gives you idea you never think of it. One person with AI can now do the work of an entire team. Creativity becomes accessible not just for people with money, studio, or degrees. Science even support this. When tool reduces mental load, creativity increases. In this view, AI isn't replacing artists, it's giving creative superpower. Like Iron Man with the suit, AI might just be the suit, but here's where it gets dark. Artists see their style copied in seconds. Client chooses AI instead of hiring them. Creativity becomes cheap. Volume beats craftsmanship. Humans aren't creative anymore. They become editors fixing machine outputs. And the deepest fear isn't losing money, it's losing identity. If a machine can do what I can do, what makes me special? So does the law protect creators? Not really, not yet. Copyright laws were built for humans, not machines. Training data laws are unclear. Style isn't protected. Courts are still arguing. Platforms are making their own rules because government is slow. Right now we are in a legal gray zone. AI is fast, the law is slow. Creators are stuck in between. So here's the real choice. Not AI versus human, but how humans uses AI. We can fight it and fall behind, or we can shape it. AI has no dreams, no purpose, no story. It needs human to lead. The real danger isn't AI replacing creators, it's creators who are using AI replacing those who don't. So maybe AI isn't a hero, and maybe it's not a villain. Maybe it's a mirror reflecting how willing we are to evolve. Creativity was never about the tool, it was about the human behind it. So ask yourself, is AI a creative partner or a thief? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more deep dive into how technology is reshaping who we are, subscribe. Because this isn't the end of creativity, it's the beginning of the new chapter.